Hello kids, welcome to online session. Today we will learn general knowledge of class 5. Today we have to deal with chapter 24 which is on page number 56 and the name of the chapter is Specialists in Medicine. What do you mean by specialists in medicine? Medical specialists are doctors who have completed advanced education in a specific area of medicine. Uh, just suppose someone is having heart related problem. That that patient will not go to the dentist. That person will not go to the neurologist. That person who is having heart related problem, that person will go to the cardiologist a doctor who deals with heart related problem. So my dear students, in this chapter we are going to learn about different types of doctors and medical specialists. As medical knowledge has become greater, doctors have formed various specialities. Doctors who choose to train for a specialty complete additional training. After training, they become specialists in a particular field of medicine. Now, what you have to do in this question, you have to write the letters for the names of the specialists here, but you have to write down the name of the specialists here, full name, as it is given here in the help box. So with the help box, you have to write down the names of the specialists here. Come to question 1. One who treats people with mental disorders. The doctor who treats people with mental disorders, you have to write down the name here. One who treats heart disease, you have to write down the name here. One who treats kidney diseases. One who treats disorders of the nervous system. Number 5, one who treats skin diseases. One who treats cancers. One who treats stomach disorders. One who treats diseases of the lungs and respiratory system. One who treats problem of the bones. Doctor who treats women during pregnancy and childbirth. One who treats eye defects, injuries and diseases. One who treats babies and young children. Now come to next fire safety quiz. Take this quiz to find out if you know about fire safety. Question number 1. Where do most house fires start? In the bedroom, in the bathroom or in the kitchen? Of course, in the kitchen. Now come to question number 2. The most common type of fire in the home is caused by electrical equipment, quick cooking equipment or candles. Of course, cooking equipments. Number 3. If you burn or scald yourself while cooking, you should rub butter over the burnt skin, run cool water over the burn, wrap the burned area with a clean cloth. What you have to do when you burn yourself? Run cool water over the burn. Now, question number 4. If your clothing catches fire, the best thing to do is drop your clothes and run to the shower, Drop to the ground and roll into a ball. Drop to the ground and roll back and forth to put out the flames. Of course, drop to the ground and roll back and forth to put out the flames. Number 5. If a fire occurs, the time you must take to skip is 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. Of course, within a minute. Number 6. When you cook, you must wear clothes with loose long sleeves, with tight long sleeves, or with short tight sleeves. Of course, with short tight sleeves. Number 7. How should you make your way out of the house when there is a fire? Alone, altogether, with your pets and toys? Of course, alone. When the firefighters arrive, what should you do? Meet them and tell them if everyone is safe. Run and hide. Help them to fight the fire. You have to meet them and tell them if everyone is safe. Number 9. When there is a fire on the third floor of an apartment, what should you do? You should hide inside, you should use the lift, or you should use the stairs. Of course, you should use the stairs. Now, come to question number 10. When there is a fire call, when there is a fire, call the hospital, the police, or the fire service. Of course, when there is a fire, you should call the fire service. Now come to next page, page number 58, tidbits. Father of medicine is an Indian. And who is the father of medicine? His name is Acharya Charaka. You can see picture of Acharya Charaka here. Acharya Charaka is crowned as the father of medicine. His work, the Charaka Samhita, is the encyclopedia of Ayurveda. This book has facts on various diseases and medicinal qualities and functions of 1 lakh herbal plants. You can see the statue of Charaka at Patanjali Yoga Pit in Haridwar of Uttarakhand. Students, today I am teaching you up to here only. What you have to do? You have to learn and write page number 56 and 57. You have to write it in your book and in your copy also. Thank you. Have a great day.